Good evening. I'm Monica Jarrett, and this is Auto News, Parts and Accessories channel. Tonight, Chinese automakers are taking vehicle technology to the next level by integrating advanced AI into their infotainment systems. According to a recent report from Inside China Auto, major Chinese car manufacturers are now embedding DeepSeek, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform, into their vehicles' infotainment systems. This move is set to revolutionize the driving experience, offering drivers and passengers smarter, more intuitive interactions with their cars. DeepSeek's AI capabilities include voice recognition, real-time navigation updates, personalized entertainment recommendations, and even predictive maintenance alerts. Imagine your car not only understanding your voice commands but also anticipating your needs, whether it's suggesting the fastest route to avoid traffic or playing your favorite playlist without you lifting a finger. This integration is part of a broader push by Chinese automakers to stay ahead in the global EV and smart vehicle race. With DeepSeek, they're not just competing on price or battery technology, they're aiming to lead in AI-driven innovation. Industry experts say this could give Chinese brands a significant edge in international markets, particularly as consumers increasingly prioritize tech-savvy features in their vehicles. So, what does this mean for the future of driving? Well, it's clear that AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's becoming the backbone of modern automotive design. And with Chinese automakers leading the charge, the global auto industry is in for some exciting changes. That's all for this update. Stay tuned to Auto News for more on the latest in automotive innovation. For the News Network, I'm Monica Jarrett. Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge auto news. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.